who I am Kreationz with Helen. I'm glad you clicked that button, and I'm glad you subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, if you like what you see, subscribe to me. Today, pushing through. I'm gotta return my dog food that I bought for Super Dog Prince because he's no longer here with me. If you guys don't know who Super Dog Prince, make sure you check out his videos on the playlist. You will be so glad you did. He is the joy of my life, one of the joys. Okay, he's my dog, but he passed away on October 16th. So now I gotta take his food back to the pet store down here in Atlanta. It's frozen raw food, but I gotta keep it cold. It's all organic, made fresh, and these are called dog chicken nuggets. He loved them. He loved them. Oh. Real quick. Getting back to the people. Let me see. I do have his receipt. Let me check. Can't turn things back unless you have a receipt, you know? Come down here on Moreland. They got a lot of little spots, so since we're out here, I'm gonna take y'all right along. You never know what we gonna see, so come on. And I told her when like the food or whatever is fine, you get to put your dog on the doggy walker thing.
That's it up there?
Mm-hmm. Yep. It smells like dog in here, doesn't it?
It smells like dogs.
You can bring your pets in here. It's pet friendly. All the stuff. The people are super nice and sweet.
We are really proud to work with them. So
wow, didn't know they had that. That's good to know.
So do you want this back on a card, or did you want to get some products today?
I had bought it on cash. I had it.
So we don't do returns. We only do store credits.
I'm not gonna need anything from yours because I don't have a dog anymore.
Right. It's just our store policy. I'm so sorry. We don't do any. We only do store credits. So you could donate it to a shelter. In the pup's name, but yeah, unfortunately we can't give any kind of refund. They won't let me. I don't even have the access to do it in the register. If you know anybody with a dog, you could give it to them and maybe like sell it to them, get your cash back, but I don't. I got you. I'm so sorry, my hands are tied.
Can I help out in some kind of way?
Oh, yeah.
If she can I give her 59 and you give me that?
Absolutely.
Oh, man.
And I'm so sorry that I can't.
I can't do anything.
I know. I'm so sorry, my love. It's a very hard thing, and I understand it's just that we're a small store, and we didn't mean no harm by it at all.
I got debits and credit cards and all that. How can I?
So I can ring you out for the 50. If you buy $59.88 and whatever's left over, I can put on a gift card for you, and you can just give her the $60. However, you got it.
God brings people in your past when you need it. I was there and it was a lady. Excuse me. It was a lady. It was a lady that heard my story about Prince, and the place doesn't take cash. They only take store credit. Well, y'all know I don't have a dog anymore, so they couldn't give me any credit. Make a long story short, the lady just heard my situation And what can I do to help but be of service? Because I have a dog. I can take her credit and give her the difference of what her purchase was, which was $60. She went, gave me the cash from an ATM, and I gave her my credit on a gift card. And then a little card that you punch holes. When you punch holes, you get so many points taken off. Added to your purchase whenever you do, and your dog get a treat and you get a discount. So I gave her that too, since I'm not gonna no longer use it. She didn't have to do it, but she did it. And I was so appreciative for that. I'm sorry. I miss you, Prince. Her testimony was she lost her dog. She lost her dog too.
Hey, what that don't say over there?
I don't know, but they got a lot of murals. See what's up over there. Oh God, this person has 76 bullet holes in my body. I did not die in vain. Who am I? My name is Javon Robinson. Did you know that police in Atlanta, Georgia executed me on August 5th, 2016? Over 90 rounds were fired at me, leaving 76 bullet holes in my body. Indeed, justice. Please help my mother, Montria Robinson, fight. Hashtag justice for Jameron. Oh my God. They got the number 76 in a hole. Oh God. Oh man. Nobody had to go through that. That is executions now. That's horrible. Man. Oh man. And then they got George Floyd on the other side.
Hey,
One thing that I would say that I liked about we as America, brown skin American, Latinos, Asians, I love the culture of murals, authentic type of art of expression. You see it everywhere in every city, especially in Atlanta. Makes me think about home, Cali, but every state has some type of expression, type of art of an artist that's showing some type of love of what they're feeling and passion. This right here, it looks like it's glowing in neon lights, like literally it does. I like that. That's something I would put on my wall, man cave, outdoor patio, but all it is art. But it looks like somebody didn't lit it up. Like, I feel the vibration of it. It speaks to me. It's abstract. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I feel what you're saying, yeah.
I feel it's a movement. I feel it over here in this little area. Everywhere you go, like over there, there's some art right there. It's art all around you. Like, I didn't know that they had a dog, like a dog,
Like a little Plaza Park or something.
No, she said like a dog bank. I didn't know they had a dog bank that they do it for people. Like if you coming out of hard times, they donate stuff. I didn't know that. I didn't know they had. If y'all don't know, check a city near you. I'm gonna try to see if I can find some information. I'll link it in this video or put it in the description tag. But I was just informed by going there that they actually have dog food banks for people who are struggling out there on hard times. And they may be in your city. I never knew that. I didn't even know by just having a conversation with that lady, and she said that they get so much food, and sometimes people donate food that they look out and give the food to them. Just like how we have food banks, they have dog banks. I think that's awesome. don't know the name of this thing, but oh, it's called Southern Feed Store over here in Moreland in Atlanta, Georgia. If you guys are interested for Vlog October or Halloween or Halloween, whatever you want to call it, they're having a 90s theme party here. So, and then you can have a dance duo or whatever. So that's good to know if you wanted to do something like that. I love the 90s era. So hey, that's your thing. Come out here and show and represent and show them what it's all about. Okay? Trying to figure out you talking to yourself or you on the phone, and then if they look, they don't know what you're doing.
Talking about when you're doing your vlogs out
When
here.
you're doing vlogs, I'm noticing is like, do y'all see that some people just be looking at you like you're talking to yourself, or be like, they be doing that, you know? And you try to just keep focusing the camera, even though I see them looking at me from the side. It's like what you did, just sliding, you trying to get in the camera like on the side. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all know. All I tell them is this: hi, how you? And they be like, hi, what you do? I'm a content creator. Got a YouTube channel. Follow me all social medias. And then they be like, oh, okay. But it's funny that all the kids know what's going on.
The kids be knowing what's going
Kids
on.
know what's going on, but the older people don't know. But yeah, they be all in the mix. Be trying to figure out what you're doing or what's going on. That's what they be doing, just like this. And you be like,
One side,
like,
side,
so that's why
side.
y'all see when I be doing, I be trying to stay focused on the camera, you know. But even when I vlog and have my camera out, they be doing it. It's like they be busy. I don't know. Do y'all experience it? Comment below if y'all know what I'm talking about, content creators. Comment below if that has happened to you. Matter of fact, if it has, I want y'all to find the camera icon and put that below in the comments, okay? And I know me and you was on the same page. All right? You done already ate. No, you had some sugary. You had a smoothie. That's what it was.
Yeah, if you want something to eat, we can go in there. I'll get you something to eat, darling.
I'll kind of pass.
Why? You need to eat something. I know you're going through it, but this.
I made some homemade, delicious cornstarter nachos. My spin on it. If y'all want to see that, I might just put it on the channel, because yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling y'all love. So I'm gonna put the love on the channel with that. And it was good. I had to force myself to eat, but it was good. I put my foot in to it. That's my
Grease trap.
Somebody care about those doggone grease traps. That one, I like that one. You see the black woman with the little crown on her head? She got
Barely
her
see it
head.
with that glass.
Man,
Glaring off.
She got the crown on her head as an African artist.
So this is the glass house right here.
I like this because it's more diverse. We need to do this. We need to do date night. Atlanta Village. This is your neighborhood feed. Connect with here with us. So the latest book. Oh, you see that? Look, all this stuff changes. That's awesome. What's been the high point of the week? The local updates. All this stuff is updated.
That look like a post.
Yeah, it's a post.
People posting stuff on there.
People posting something. Yeah, so what's going on in this area?
I've never seen that before.
Me either. I'm scared of you, Atlanta. Hey, I'm scared of y'all. How they got the little square? See?
The lounges over there. Well, that's the
lounge,
loft.
the lofts, they look really nice. One thing I noticed that they got a lot of little lofts and a lot of hidden oasis places in the A.
Yeah, what a different time it is now, man. I swear, man. It just was different. Like last night, looking for my buddy.
Super different.
Yeah, it's real different. But we gonna make it through.
Yeah.
No, that junk ain't easy.
It's not. Pushing through every day, every moment.
Understood.
He was a fall baby. Birthday will be on October 31st. I gotta go. Y'all gonna come along with me, but I'm gonna go get some stuff because I've been pressed, and a suggestion from both my mom and my mommy and Ro told me I should make a box. Forget what it's called. Like a box in his memory, so I'm gonna make that for him. A lot of my girlfriends from my Hamptonian sisters, Ishvira and Helen said that would be a good idea since I got so many stuff of him that I can put it in a box. So I'm gonna push through that too, through the process. So y'all gonna come along and we gonna push through together, right? Right.
Right on.
Mother dog. Man. They got Motor City up in the A like they do up in Detroit. They brought Detroit with them, huh?
Motor City South, it say.
Black Lives Matter, East Atlanta Village. And I know what it is. It's got the red, the green, and the gold, and that is the theme colors for Pan-African American. Yeah, they're telling it. Look.
I like that picture with Malcolm and Martin over there.
I love Malcolm, and you love Martin Luther King. Yeah, that's a nice one. We didn't see that one. You should. I fit the background. It's a lot of blood we shed with Emmett Till, boy. And you see it every day with the injustice about. You saw that black kid, that young boy got shot. When is it gonna end?
Probably ain't never gonna end.
Let my people vote.
Lewis, rest in peace.